Hello guys! Today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to fix a black inner screen after unfolding your phone. A black inner screen upon unfolding your Samsung Galaxy Fold typically stems from one of two causes: a temporary software driver glitch, where the system fails to hand off the display signal from the cover screen to the main inner panel, or a hardware or sensor failure, such as a damaged Hinge ribbon cable or Hall sensor. The first step is to perform the force restart. Hold the power and volume down button for on long period of time till you see that your screen is turned off, and now we've got it done. So now you need to wait, I'd say 30 seconds, and after this time you can close your phone and turn it back on. It should be actually reset automatically, but I think my phone is kind of broken. Now we've got it turned on, almost turning on, and this should fix your issue. If it doesn't want to fix your issue, if it's still broken, we'll need to go even further. Perform the test of the hinge connection angle. A very common issue on foldable devices is microscopic wear on the hinge ribbon cable. So slowly fold and unfold the device to check if the screen lights up at 45 degrees, 90 degrees, or 120 degrees. What it means: the display lights up when partially opened, but goes black when pressed completely flat, like on 180 degrees. The internal hinge flex cable has suffered stress or fatigue and requires professional repair. Number 3. Check for the magnet or case interference. The Galaxy Z Fold line relies on internal Hall effect sensors like magnetic switches inside the frame to detect whether the device is opened or closed. Remove any third-party cases, active accessories, or external phone grips. External magnetic rings can fool the phone sensor into thinking the outer screen is still active, keeping the inner display powered off. Next step is warranty. If none of the software force restarts work and the inner screen remains completely black, the inner OLED panel of the hinge ribbon cable assembly will need the replacement. Because the Z Fold series uses an integrated inner assembly like display, frame, and hinge, do not attempt to open or repair the inner folding glass yourself. Take the device to an authorized Samsung service center for a in-warranty diagnostic or a repair under Premier Service Samsung Care Plus. Bye!